Trombone Shorty was written by Troy Andrews, also known as The Trombone Shorty, and illustrated by Brian Collier. The man in the top left picture is Andrews, or Trombone Shorty, and the man in the bottom right is our illustrator, Collier. Together, these two men have won the Coretta Scott King Book Award and the Caldecott Honor for the book Trombone Shorty. A little bit of background information on Andrews before I begin speaking about the book. This man in real life actually is a brass musician and plays the trombone. This entire story is about his childhood and his upbringing as an aspiring musician. I chose to include this page because it is one of the first pages of the book. It includes the phrase, "Where ya at?" which in New Orleans parlance means hello as an opening greeting and also signals the beginning of a conversation. You can also see the spirals coming out of the trombone, which signifies the liveliness and impact the music has on Trombone Shorty's day-to-day life. Andrews concentrates on his younger years growing up in the city of Treme, a neighborhood in New Orleans that is known for its close-knit community and its commitment to music. He makes his own instruments before he is able to acquire his own trombone and learns to play by practicing constantly. I included this picture because it shows Andrew's appreciation for the brass bands and his appreciation of jazz and the New Orleans city. In this picture, they are celebrating Mardi Gras, and you can see the bright colors to show how energetic and lively music brings to this town. This is a picture after Trombone Shorty finds his first trombone. Although it did not sound like the other instruments he is used to hearing in the Mardi Gras celebrations and jazz bands, he is very appreciative that now he has an instrument that will help him pursue his dreams. Collier uses expressive watercolor, collages, and layers and textures on each page. On this page, you can see the spirals of music, which are circular shapes floating throughout many of the pages in this book. This symbolizes the background harmonies of the music, and maybe even on this page, it symbolizes the harmonies in his dreams. Throughout the book, there is many hot colors that reflects the New Orleans climate, and there are also often serene blues and cool tones to resemble the music Trombone Shorty produces. On this page, this is an updated picture of Trombone Shorty after his childhood. It reads, "Today I play at the same New Orleans Jazz Festival where I once played with Bo Diddley," where that was his first debut on stage when he was a child and playing his broken trombone. Bo Diddley asked him to come up on stage, which prompted his career. The author note adds detail to the text, and the two accompanying photographs of Andrews reinforces the story's authenticity. If you'd like to take a moment to read this, it tells a lot about his personal life and how much he loved playing music as a child. In the illustrator's note, Collier discusses his use of artistic symbolism and builds upon his artistic style and choices. The Trombone Shorty Foundation, which you can read about right underneath the picture of Trombone Shorty, is a foundation whose mission is to inspire the next generation of talented opportunity youth through music education, instruction, mentorship, and performance.